So the vast right-wing conspiracy that we're going to talk about is basically a disagreement with the American Law Institute about some of the public choices that have been made with respect to the nature of parentage. I think one gets into the group of being a vast right-wing conspirator simply by disagreeing, but I'm not so sure. So I will let you decide on the merits whether this seems like such a wacky conservative right-wing idea or if it seems like valid criticism on its own. So what I'm going to talk about are the way in which the American Law Institute and these principles of the law of family dissolution wants to award parental rights to basically folks who live with other people, so ex-live-in partners, which are termed by not only the ALI but also by many courts as de facto parents. And I'm going to talk about whether in particular this would encroach upon the prerogatives of legal parents. And here I want to just sort of stipulate that that's generally going to be the child's custodial mother, mostly because children either non-marital or after divorce live with their mothers. And I'm also going to argue that this, by encroaching on the prerogatives of the custodial mother, basically boils down to saying to these mothers that they don't have the ability to control who has access to their children. The ALI's proposals appear in its 1,187-page volume, The Principles of the Law of Family Dissolution. I know that Professor Gregory was a member of the ALI while this was being done. And so he knows very well that this project took 11 years and 4 tentative drafts before the final draft that you see here. And basically what it would do is reform most of family law.